This coverage of SHOT Show 2024 is brought to you by Through Nights.
Hey everybody, I'm Bryce. I work here at CRKT and we're here at SHOT Show 2024. We've got some cool new stuff to show you. A lot of new American-made products and automatics, which is really exciting for us. This is the Mishika, designed by Philip Booth. We partnered with Hogue to make this product, and it's a really cool hidden scale release automatic. So to deploy the blade, you actually use this back area here. You push the scale over, and that deploys the blade. The real way you open it, you kind of use your hand over here, push it with sort of that fatty part of your palm, and that's what deploys the blade. You can really do it just one-handed, which is really cool. We've got Magna Cut steel up front, G10 on the scales here. This one's got the raw G10 with that little black G10 liner. Classic Philip Booth design. The lines all match up, really clean. It's a really comfortable handle, so it's really good for work. And that Magna Cut steel really just kind of complements it. The name Mishika comes from a combination of Michigan and Ithaca. Mishika, it's not the Mishaka. I've heard a couple people say it that way, but the Mishika. We have two colorways. We obviously have this one with the raw G10 and the black, and then we have the inverse with the black and raw G10 and a black blade there. So really cool. Both have the same sort of release mechanism. Really simple. We're really excited to have automatics back in the line and to kind of further our partnerships with Hogue and Philip Booth. Another product from Philip. This is the Minnow, a little bit smaller, but really captures a lot of what Philip's style does. Again, we're working with Magna Cut up front on that sort of sheepsfoot blade. A little bit further back, we have that fine linen micarta, which really gives it a lot of character. This blade just releases through a simple button lock, really easy. It's a little knife with a good big pocket clip there for your pocket, and even though it's small, you get a good purchase on that. You could really do some cutting. That blade is very thin down there. It's gonna be a really good cutter. Just a little tank. Really cool knife. Moving on to a different designer, but still working with Hogue. This is a Ken Onion Redemption. I was really excited about this model. I think the whole community's been very excited about this model. Ken originally kind of wanted to design sort of a Western card player's boot knife. And I think this really captures it with that spear point dagger blade and the kind of coffin shape in the back. Again, Magna Cut up front, got G10 in the back. This one uses our crossbar lock, and that's the only way to deploy the blade. There's no flipper, thumb stud, nail nick. All you do, pull back on the crossbar lock and kind of flip the blade out, or you can kind of just gravity open it that way. Really fun, really fidgety. I've been kind of fiddling with it all the time at the show. I'm in a reversible pocket clip, so lefties can have fun too. Really cool knife. We've been really excited to have anything Ken Onion, obviously, and to partner with Hogue. It's a really cool product. These two were released a little bit earlier. These were our first actually ventures with Hogue. This is the LCBK, and this is the Definitive, designed by Matthew and MJ Lurch. Really cool designs. Actually, the bodies are all G10, which is really cool. So it makes them really lightweight. G10 is strong enough that you can use it as a material just by itself. It's really impressive, the kind of strength to weight ratio you can get there. The blades are 154 cm, so cool American-made steel. Again, using the crossbar lock to open and deploy. These also have thumb studs. Really cool blade, but really nice that it doesn't have liners. That's kind of a cool way to make a knife, all G10. These other two, the fixed blades, are actually, we partnered with Tops and Kayla Cummings to make. Kayla is a survivalist. She's competed on Naked and Afraid multiple times. She's also a knife designer who still hand forges steel, which is really cool. The advent of cheapening of CNC machines has obviously opened up a lot of new avenues, but I still get excited when somebody's out there just hammering steel. It's really cool. Kayla kind of designed this as sort of like a secondary outdoor camping knife. A little bit smaller on the handle, a little bit more lightweight. 1095 steel. This model is featuring that brown micarta in the back, and then we also have the black model, the G10, and those vest serrations. Really versatile knife. I like that she took the handle up so high, so it's kind of like a bread knife. You get a little bit more clearance on the blade, so it gives you more usable angle. Really good big belly to that. You can even choke up for culinary tasks, that sort of thing. Little lanyard. This one would come with a leather sheath, and the black model would come with a regular Kydex sheath, so pretty cool. We got more partnerships coming though. We're really excited about all these new American-made products and the partnerships with other companies, and also all our new designers. We got more coming, so stay tuned.
I want to give a big shout out to Through Night who made this trip possible. So I've been carrying only Through Night flashlights for SHOT Show 2024. If you know Through Night, they've got budget-friendly lights. They've got lights from the most compact to full-size throwers. a wide variety of options available. Check out the links down in the description below for more from ThruNite and make a solid light.